Hello, this is Oleg with OpenBOM. In this video I'm going to show how to install OpenBOM plugin for Autodesk Inventor from Autodesk App Store. So you download installer from OpenBOM for Autodesk Inventor App Store location. Click on download, and when you get MSI installer package, you click on this and you are following the installation procedure. And after a few clicks, you will get OpenBOM plugin for Inventor installed. After you finish the installation, you have Autodesk Inventor plugin installation guide documentation online. So check videos and check documentation here, and as a next step you start Autodesk Inventor. Autodesk Inventor plugin for OpenBOM will show up in the assembly tab. Let me show you how it will happen. So Autodesk Inventor is starting. You get the assembly, and when you open assembly you will see OpenBOM plugin for Autodesk Inventor shows up in the toolbar for assemblies. So here it's opening, and you got this plugin installed here, and then you can follow up the installation process of settings and then create and update BOM. So that was Oleg with OpenBOM, and I was demonstrating installation process for Autodesk Inventor plugin for OpenBOM. Thank you very much, and talk soon.